How to hide Instagram chats. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. After updating, follow the next steps. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on edit profile. Now tap on not now. Now scroll down and tap on switch to professional account. Again tap on next. Now choose any category and tap on switch to professional account. Now wait for some time. It might take few minutes. Again tap on next. Now tap on OK. Now simply disable this toggle and tap on next. Now tap on the cross icon at the top left corner. Now go to the home page and tap on message at the top right corner. Now simply keep holding the chat you want to hide. Now tap on move to general. If you want to access the chat, simply tap on general. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.